So, what was the jaw-dropping moment for you during the Apple Far Out event? For us, it was when they introduced the Apple Watch Ultra, a new notch design on iPhone 14 Pro models and 48 megapixels camera. Even with all these new interesting features, it's kinda disappointing how it came with the same old design as the iPhone 13. But still, if you're willing to buy the brand new iPhone 14, we would like to suggest you some must-have accessories which can help you get the most out of it. So, without further ado, let's get started. As usual, iPhone 14 came with no charger. In the meantime, Anker came to save the day with the brand new compact charger Nano 3. To charge your iPhone 14 series in no time, the Nano 3 delivers full-speed 30-watt charging. Instead of silicone, this charger is equipped with GaN technology, which makes it 70% smaller than an original 30-watt charger. With this tiny charger, you can charge your iPhone 3 times faster than other conventional chargers. To make it even more portable, the Nano 3 comes with foldable pins so you can carry it in your backpack without any hassle. To keep your iPhone 14's display in immaculate condition, we have Caseology Snap Fit for you, which can protect the screen in a breeze. This 9H rated tempered glass offers a safeguard without compromising your phone's natural touch, while an oleophobic coating prevents smudges. In the box, you'll have an alignment tray, a microfiber cloth, a dust removal sticker, and a squeegee for a nice and clean installation. Also, it's compatible with your phone case. Effortlessly juice up your iPhone 14 anywhere, anytime with the Anker MagSafe, which has a slim design but big power. Due to its slim and sleek design, you can single-handedly take calls, selfies, and more. With a strong magnetic attachment, it snaps perfectly to your iPhone. Furthermore, this MagSafe has a 5000 mAh battery to ensure all-day power backup. Most importantly, Anker's new mini-cell technology helps it to become compact without compromising power and charging efficiency. It even features a versatile built-in foldable kickstand to deliver a comfortable viewing angle while watching your favorite content. Cover up your iPhone 14 with a premium quality case, the Caseology Nano Pop. This case not only ensures optimum protection but also increases the look with its bold and contrasting two-tone colors. Moreover, to protect your display and camera from the surface, it comes with raised lips that go around the whole camera and screen. This case even has integrated magnets to keep your iPhone MagSafe compatible. Beyond just looking good, Nano Pop is also redesigned with a protective inner defense pattern offering drop protection with airspace technology in the corners. Plus, it offers great grip while remaining lint and dust-free in your pockets. And oh yes, this case is certified with military-grade protection. Why power up your devices separately when you can charge them at the same time with a ZECHIN 5-in-1 charging station, which is mainly designed for iFans? This charging station comes with a total of 36 watts of output, where it can deliver 7.5 watts of fast wireless charging for iPhone, 5 watts for AirPods, 2.5 watts for Apple Watch, and 10 watts for other smartphones. On the back, it has USB-C and USB-A ports for your other devices which do not support wireless charging. With Apple MFI certification, the ZECHIN charging station is perfect for all Apple devices and you won't face any issue while powering them. Without the all-new AirPods Pro 2, this list is incomplete. To give you a richer audio experience, it comes with a custom-built driver and amplifier that works with the brand new H2 chip. Also, they ensure lower distortion during playback so you'll get deeper bass and crisper highs across all volume levels. Furthermore, AirPods Pro 2 features up to 2 times more noise cancellation than its predecessor to let you listen in peace. It can even take the listening experience to a new level with personalized spatial audio and dynamic head tracking, which work together to immerse you deeper in all-around-you sound. Besides, adaptive EQ allows you to hear every frequency just as it was intended. Moreover, now you can adjust the volume by swiping up and down on the stem. The AirPods Pro 2 has a redesigned charging case which you can power up by using your Apple Watch or MagSafe charger. From a single charge, you'll have up to 6 hours of listening time and up to 30 hours of using with the case. So, that was all about the must-have accessories for iPhone 14 just for you. Which one do you want to buy? We would love to hear from you. Please let us know, and as always, thanks for watching our video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you find this video to be helpful, and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.